G'day, in this video we're just going to talk you through how to go about installing a Advantage Air zone motor into an Exact Air onto the Exact Air blades. So as you can see here, we've got the family of Advantage Air zone motors from the leaded 24 volt to 240 volt, the Platinum or Control Air, the VAV, single VAV controller, and now the most commonly used Clip 24. Now in this video, we're just going to show you how to go and install it and the main points we need to be aware of. So as we get a zone motor, you can see here we have a square shaft. This slots into the top of a square slot for on the cog. So important things we need to be aware of is we need to make sure that we get the alignment correct. If we get this wrong, if we put a zone motor in that is closed or open versus the blade position being the opposite, we're going to have issues and we're going to damage the motor. So one of the main things we need to look at, and you'll find that the zone motors are more often come out being half open just for this purpose. Looking at the zone motor, at the top is 12 o'clock is open and 3 o'clock on the side is closed. So when we go to install the zone motor, one of the little tricks I have is that when I put it in, I want to move the zone or the blades and cycle them around between open and closed and just ensure I get the right spot. So I find open, which is 12 o'clock, then I find closed, which is 3 o'clock, and then I put the blades halfway between, making sure that then I line it up with the screw holes. As you can see, this one here has got an outline of the zone, but it's not always the case, but you can see the screw hole pins. So we line these up with the screws. Now, when we go to install the screws, we need to make sure that they're of a reasonable gauge and that they're no longer than 30 mil. If the screw is too long, it will go through the Exact Air and then bind with the blade below and stop and damage the motor. So obviously making sure we've got the blade in the right spot. Now the length of the screw is important, not more than 30 mil. And then we're screwing the screw down. Now the other little trick with this is we don't want to screw all the way down hard. We want to have a little bit of flex in the zone motor or in the mountings, because if you screw it down hard, there is no give in the zone motor if the blades were to bind at all. So now there's a little bit of flex in the zone motor. That gives us a little bit of wriggle room when the blades are moving. So key factors we need to look for is alignment of the zone motor and the blades, not over tightening the screws and making sure the screws are not too long. And that was it. Thank you for watching. We invite you to follow us and also check out our online stores.